Hey, what's going on everybody? How we doing today? In this video we are going to run the RoboRock E4 through a larger area test. This would kind of indicate maybe a small apartment or possibly a two-bedroom house or something like that. So this thing ran through the stress test and did a good job overall after its second run. And I'm going to put this through just, it's not a stress test, but there's plenty of debris on the ground and it's just a larger area. I really wanted to see how well this will do without the LIDAR like the S5 and their higher end models have. So real quick, let me show you the mess, just a little bit of everyday mess. I threw down a little bit of extra stuff just to see its path and everything, and then make sure that it went all over. I moved a filing cabinet that was here, so it gets to suck up this June bug. And I just threw down a little bit of chips here and there. A little bit over here, and just a little bit spread out throughout this room, so not a big mess for it to clean up, but I wanted to see how good it's going to clean up a larger area. Then after this test, if it does a good job, I'll open up to my entire floor plan. And that's where these random navigation type robots fail. So I still think this guy's going to do a very good job in this test, but once I open it up to the entire floor plan, I think that's when you're going to have to upgrade to a LiDAR based system or something with a camera that's smart. So let's get this guy going. It's 100% charged. And I'm just going to do it on its turbo mode, which is one less than its max. I don't think it really needs max for this job, we'll see. But I think turbo is going to be plenty good. So let's send it out.
Starting to clean.
Alright, really hope this does a good job. Hopefully it'll get everything done with one run, because it's not the stress test, so it should not need 2 runs. This one's a bit different than the normal non-navigational robots. This does have a sensor down on the bottom that allows it to follow its own path, if you will, rather than just bounce off the walls. So you'll see it going around as if it's a smart robot, but I can't really remember where it's been, or it cannot make a map of your house or anything like that. So usually what I do now is I'll let this go, I'll set up my camera, I'll speed it up for you guys. But this time I'm just gonna go ahead and let it clean off camera, and then we'll come back at the end and show you the job it did. So please do me a favor in the comments, let me know if you'd rather see it clean and sped up, which therefore makes a longer video and a lot more time on my end, or if you just wanna see how the job is at the end of the cleaning job. I can get these videos probably 8 minutes or less total, whereas when I do everything else, it's probably 13 to 20 minutes. So please let me know down in the comments if you want to see shorter videos, or if you don't mind the longer videos that are more in depth and that show the vacuum cleaning sped up. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't already, please smash that like button and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And I got a lot of videos coming. I'm even starting to do some regular vacuums, like the Shark Apex, Dysons, stuff like that. Let me know also in the comments if you guys want to see normal vacuum cleaners as well. And then we'll put those up against a bunch of other ones there. Lots to come from this channel. And then at the end of this video, we'll see how much dirt it got, how much batteries left, and how long it took to clean up this size area. All right, I will be back when it's done. Once again, let me know in the comments if you prefer to see it run like I always do, or if this is good with you guys. I will be back when it's done. All right, everybody, the RoboRock E4 is done. Took about 52 minutes, had about 60% battery life left. So the battery life on this thing is very good. And there's the map that it kind of made. It's semi-accurate, but really not. So it's kind of useless for them to even give you this map because you really can't do anything at all with it. And it's not even that accurate, but... So it took 52 minutes. And I was watching it. It was driving around just... It kept going over the same area more times than it should have. And I don't know, I just don't... I honestly really don't like this RoboRock. Comparing it to the S5, which I absolutely love. And that's about double the price, but I really think it's worth the extra money. So let's go ahead and take a look at how much it missed, or how much it didn't miss. So here's that bug. Somehow it pushed the bug all the way over there into here. Don't know why. And then it kind of missed this whole area. I don't know why either. It should have gotten that up with no issues, but it missed it. And then other than that, in this room, it pretty much got everything in this room other than what I just showed you. The hardwood looks really good. Really, honestly, nothing on the hardwood at all. And then this section, it did miss some chips over here. You can see it ran it over, so I'm not sure how it missed it, but a couple of bigger chips there. Little piece of tape. A little bit over here. So overall, it did a decent job cleaning. 52 minutes is kind of long, if you ask me. So honestly, when you compare this guy to the S5, I honestly don't really like this robot vacuum. The S5 you can sometimes get on sale around the $330 to $360 mark. I got this one on a sale. The lowest price ever was $188. It's normally around the $250 to $280. $188 is not too bad, but once you start getting above the $250, I really think you should just upgrade to the S5 with the LIDAR. The LIDAR just, it's so freaking flawless. It would have done this job that this just did in 52 minutes. It would have literally done it in 20 to 25, and I can pretty much guarantee there would not have been anything left on the carpet or the hardwood. It's that much better, it really is. And then the S5, you can make a map. You can tell it to go clean a specific area. It's night and day difference. So personally, would I recommend this RoboRock? Actually, surprisingly, I would say no. I really thought buying this, I would absolutely love it and highly recommend it. But I kind of don't. I don't really like it compared to the S5. Honestly, the robot that surprised me more than this guy, the Eufy 25C is the one that really surprised me. I picked it up for $99 for a Walmart Black Friday special. I think it's $125 right now. And I would honestly recommend that more than this RoboRock. And that really surprises me. I didn't think I would ever say that before testing the two. However, I am going to run that Eufy 25C and do the same exact test that this guy just did. And we'll see if it can handle it. Those more random navigation robots have trouble with larger areas. I think it'll still do good because this particular test is not that large. But once I release it into my entire floor plan, I think both of these robots will fail pretty badly. So, that's what I think about this guy. Let me know down in the comments if you agree with me. And once again, please let me know if you like this video like this, where it's just shorter and to the point, or do you want to see it driving around in fast motion and whatnot. If the majority of you want to see that, I'll still do it. Actually doing it without that saves me a ton of time. So I'd really like to know if it matters to you guys. So once again, please smash that like button, subscribe, and have an awesome day. See ya.